There's a saying in cranes and rigging, never put your finger where you wouldn't put your carrot.
You got those holes lined up there, Greenie?
Hang on, mate.
Whatever you do, don't put your finger in there.
So yeah, if you've ever shaken the hand of any experienced crane or rigger, they've been an apprentice once. So instead of using a finger, line up the hole, use a podgy. Old fingers remain. Win. Never put your finger where you wouldn't put your carrot. Oh! That's the nail bed.
Oh my gosh.
Did you hear the crunch?
It did.
That was bones.